Ahí va la otra, ahí va la otra. Mira, 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 Kenny, mira.
Look at all the fun.
What's the ball?
Look at Snowy.
Who plays in there?
I'm telling you, we should put it inside. Poor Snowy. Snowy doesn't get to have any fun.
They're wet. Like pool party. They love it.
Lulu's in!
Connie, they're fighting.
They need 3 bowls. Remember at the Aunt John's Pet Supply, they had like 2 bowls, like a bathtub. They like that bowl. Oh, there's the other one.
No.
Make sure it's not too deep. Oh, no. They both like the same bowl.
They like to go together. You need a big bowl. You need a big bowl and then put it on the bottom and then yeah.
Ay, they're splashing all over the way. Look at Snowy. You're getting brave.
Like, come on, guys,
There's 2
move.
bowls. Now Lulu's getting all floopy.
Like, I'm not tired yet.
Mira the wings. She only wants to put the wings. Mira.
He's washing his head.
Did you see Olive's like all sideways?
Go, Snowy! Snowy just drinks the little waters.
She's coming. She's coming.
That's so cute. That was kind of gross too. Breast of
Mira, mira. She wants to put all the feathers inside. Mira, mira.
Mom, I'm getting wet all the way from here.
They're swimming las condenadas. Mira.
Look at Olive. Okay, Olive's green, Lulu's yellow, and then Snowy's the white one where I don't know where Snowy is. Snowy's right there, the little head poking out from there.
Snowy wants
Yeah.
to do it, but they won't let her. Oh, there you go.
She's coming. She's coming.
She just drinks a little water that splashes out. They're all wet.
Come on,
They
Snowy.
all little like.
Snowy's just licking the stuff. That's Snowy. That's Olive, the one in the water, and that just got out right there. And then that's Lulu, the yellow. Yeah, yeah, that one's Lulu. Lulu, Olive, and then Snowy's over there.
Water. Snowy. Like, we're done. We're done. Yeah, we're done. Yeah, they're done. Oh wait, Lulu's not. Good.
They love it. Snowy's like going up, and then they switch, and then Snowy's go over there, they leave, and then, yeah, see?
Go, Snowy.
The thing is, oh, I thought Snowy couldn't get on. Maybe Lulu and Olive will tell her how. See, Snowy, that's how you do it. Follow Lulu like you always do. And go inside and play.
Going around like, how do I do this? Do I put my red
Like, okay. Cannonball! Cannonball Lulu! Cannonball Lulu! Oh, wait, you're a boy. Cannonball Lolo! Cannonball Lolo! Don't hop over it. Yeah, go Olive! You're crazy wet! Look at you, look at you! Oh my gosh!
Coming out from Lulu's tail.
It's so fluffy! Biggie! Oh my gosh, she's so happy!
Only Snowy's tail is split.
You better not poop, though. You guys flying around like crazy monkeys. Yeah.
Oh my god, look at Damn it, get out. Go, Snowy.
Go, Snowy.
Getting wet with the other one. Oh my god, Olive's like me.
Hey, how do I turn around? Oh my gosh, Olive is so mean. Look at Lulu under Snowy's tail.
Can you zoom in while you're filming?
No. With Jenna's camera you can, but this one you can't.
Are you sure you try it?
Yeah, I tried it like a bunch of times and I can't just zoom in. But I have to step back now because I got like the whole thing. I think Olive's the one that's mostly wet.
They like jump in inside.
And then they hop back out.
Come on, Snowy, get inside.
It's getting to a blur. I gotta adjust it.